everyone, welcome to online class of Modi Public School. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 16, mensuration. We are going to discuss its part 1. In this chapter we will discuss about perimeter and area, but today we are going to discuss about perimeter only. Let us discuss what perimeter is. Perimeter is the total length of the boundary of any closed figure. पेरीमीटर का सिंपल सा मीनिंग होता है किसी भी क्लोज्ड फिगर की जो बाउंड्रीज होती है उसका टोटल लेंथ ही क्या होता है, उसका पेरीमीटर होता है. एंड वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस स्पेसिफिकली अबाउट स्क्वायर्स एंड रेक्टेंगल इन दिस एक्सरसाइज. Perimeter of a square is 4 multiplied by side and perimeter of a rectangle is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Though we can just add the boundaries, like here it's a rectangle, so what we can do is we can add all its boundary here also, in this figure also. But for some figures we have got some specific formulas, like here we are going to talk about squares and rectangles. So to calculate their perimeters we can use these formulas. Let us discuss page number 124 of your maths book. Okay, we are going to discuss question number 1. Find the perimeter of the following figures. Here some figures are given. All the figures are rectangles or squares. So we have to calculate their perimeters. Let us solve this C part. Here you can observe this figure. This figure is a rectangle. Yes, because here length and breadths are given. So we have to calculate its perimeter. Let us calculate. As we know that perimeter of a rectangle is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So we have written the formula. Now we will put the value of length. Length is 7.2 centimeter and the breadth is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so now we will add first 7.2 and 3.5. So here no need to put the bracket now. 2 plus 5 is 7. Then decimal point, 7 plus 3 is 10. So here we'll write 10. Now we have to multiply 10.7 by 2. So we will multiply 7 2s are 14, 2 1s are 2. So 21.4 centimeter, no it's meter, 21.4 meter will be the perimeter. Okay, if you are not able to add or multiply directly, you can put the values on right hand side, make a rough column, add there. Okay, no need to worry. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay, and here 10.7 we have to multiply by 2. So 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, 2 zeros are 0 plus 1 1, 2 1s are 2, and then we will put the point. So that's how we got the answer. Let us now solve F part of it. Observe the figure. Which shape is it? Yes, it's a square. So now we have to calculate its perimeter. Perimeter of a square is 4 multiplied by side. Now we will put the value. Side is 6 meters. So we will put here 6. Now 4 multiplied by 6 is 24 and the unit is meter. So 24 meter is the perimeter of the figure. Let us now solve question number 2 of it. Find the sides of the square whose perimeter P is as follows. Now what is the difference between question number 1 and question number 2? Here perimeter was not given, here sides were given and we were supposed to calculate the perimeter. But now in question number 2 perimeter is given and we have to calculate the sides. So let us solve its A part. Perimeter is 48 meters. So here we will write simply side is equals to perimeter by 4. Perimeter divided by 4. What we have to do is whenever we have to calculate the side of a square, we will simply divide the perimeter by 4. So here 48 divided by 4 is 12 meter. Whatever the unit is given, we will put the same unit. So the side is 12 meter. Let us now solve its C part, that perimeter is 80 millimeters. So to calculate the side here, we will simply divide the perimeter by 4. The perimeter is 80 and 80 divided by 4 is 20 and the unit is millimeters. So we'll put millimeters here. Here, question number 5. Let us solve this question. If the length and breadth of a rectangular frame are 7.5 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter, then find its perimeter. Okay, we have to calculate perimeter of this rectangular frame. Here we have mentioned that length of rectangular frame is 7.5 centimeter, breadth of rectangular frame is 4.5 centimeter, and the perimeter of frame, because it is rectangular in shape, so its perimeter will be 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Now let us put the values. 2 multiplied by 7.5 plus 4.5. Let us add first. 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry, 7 plus 1 8, plus 4 12. 12.0. Now multiply, 12 twos are 24. The unit is centimeter. So here we'll put the centimeters. So 24 centimeter is the perimeter of this rectangular frame. Now we will solve question number 7. Question number 7 is find the perimeter of the given figure where each shape is a square. Okay, यहाँ पे जितने भी figures दिए हुए हैं ये सभी क्या हैं, squares हैं, and we have to calculate its perimeter. We know that perimeter means the total length of the boundary, so we have to add the boundaries. Look, its boundaries like this. Here, then this smaller one, then this smaller one, this complete length. Okay, so we will calculate, we will add. Okay, so here we'll start from here, 5 centimeter. So here I have drawn a small figure over here, rough figure over here, so it will be 5 centimeter. So let us add 5 perimeter equals to 5 plus, now this length, ये तो हमने ऐड कर लिया है 5 centimeter, this we have added. Let me write 5 centimeter, then we have to add this one. So the total length is 5, okay, because it's a square. So this length is 5 and from here it is 4. So 5 minus 4.5 is 0.5. So here we will write 0.5 plus, here we'll add it. Okay, we will add this length, this is 4.5 centimeter, so we will write here 4.5 centimeter plus 4.5 again, plus now this length, so this length is 4.5 minus 3.5, that is 1, then 3.5 plus this length 3.5 plus this length 3.5 plus this length, that is 4.5, then again 4.5, then it is 5, okay, and this length again 5. Now we have to add it and we will get 45 centimeter. Okay, so this is how you're gonna solve the questions. That's all for today's class. Thank you so much.